Hey everyone, so my big announcement is I'm going to have a baby. Well, not me. My daughter is going to have a baby, so I'm going to be a grandma for the first time. I'm super excited. I'm 66. She's 33, so I had her, my first baby, when I was 33. And I was beginning to think I wasn't going to have any grandkids. So super excited. I found this really cute mold of a mommy, kind of funny, kind of cute, that you put an ultrasound in, and I'm giving her a baby shower. So I made it for her, and I'm gonna put it right where the people walk in the front door. I thought it was cute. Anyway, follow along and you'll see what I made. So I found this pregnant mommy mold on Amazon. My daughter's going to have a baby for the first time, and I'm going to be a grandma for the first time. And I just thought this would be really cute. I'm going to be having a baby shower for her, so I was going to put it up. You're supposed to put a ultrasound picture in it. And then I got these blue, pretty, sparkly inclusions, they call them, up at Hobby Lobby. They're blue flakes that you mix in with resin. You can use them with UV resin or regular resin. Resin I'm using for this project is Naked Fusion, the new and improved formula. Next, I mix up my resin and I put the blue glitter flakes in the resin, and these are kind of large flakes, larger than a glitter or even the chunky glitter, but they're super pretty. And I go ahead and I pour it in the mommy part and in the base of the mold, the part that's the actual mommy's going to be standing up in. And I don't put it into the heart that's sitting over to the right because that has to be clear. Now you'll see me holding down her ponytail. That's the mold is kind of out of shape a little bit, and that part is sticking up a little bit too much. So what I end up doing is taking my cutters and nippers and setting it on the one edge to kind of hold it down so that it doesn't make the resin all go to the other side. So anyway, next you'll see me pouring a little bit of resin over the top of the heart at her belly, because I really wasn't sure whether this was supposed to have resin on top of it or what. So here I'm pouring resin over it, and I'm mixing up some more clear resin to put inside of the other heart. So once I have it covered, I think that it's covered, but you'll have to wait till the end to see what happens. And I get down eye level and look at it, and to me it looks like that heart on her belly is covered. And like I said, I did fill the other heart with clear. And I have no idea what those three little things are in the middle, some kind of clips. I don't end up using them, but I decide I better fill them in case I need them for something. And then I just let it set overnight. So the next morning I started to demold her. First I took the clear heart out, and that's what goes over the ultrasound so that you can see the ultrasound of the baby through it. And then this is the base, the actual base that the mommy stands up in. And then, of course, this is the mommy, and to my surprise, I had a little extra that dripped out over there. Remember, I was having problems with that holding down, but that just came right off. And then to my surprise, when I took this off, the heart that I thought was covered had no resin on it. It was just open. I was surprised. I didn't know what I was supposed to do with it. So I decided, well, I have to put something on the back to hold the ultrasound picture, and then I'll put the clear heart on the front. Then I used this deburring tool to kind of clean up around the edges of the heart because there was some runoff resin. I guess I thought I was covering the top of it, but this little heart fits just perfect in there, the clear one, but then there's nothing covering the back, so I have to come up with something. Next, I decide the easiest way to fill it would be with UV resin. So what I do is I get this resin tape, and you can use painter's tape, resin tape, contact paper. There's a number of things that you can use to cover the back that the resin will not stick to after it has cured. So I just put the resin tape on the back, flip it over, and take something called Light Wish UV resin. I got this Light Wish UV resin on Amazon. It comes in a box like this. It's highly translucent and comes in these beautiful 8 colors. And I know they have also the Light Wish, I think sparkly resin, UV resin too, but it really has some pretty colors. This is resin, UV resin that is already colored. So you could use regular UV resin and add some color to it, but this is nice and convenient and a real pretty blue that matches the blue glitter that's in her. So I went ahead and just filled it with the blue UV resin and took the UV light and put it on top, and voila, it was covered. Take the UV tape off the back, and it really turns out to be a pretty blue. Now you're only going to see that from the back because on the front it's going to be the ultrasound picture. So next I take the clear heart and I draw a shape on top of the baby ultrasound. And these aren't the original ultrasound. She had just sent me a picture just showing me after she had the ultrasound. She has no idea I'm making this. And so I just copied and printed them on the computer. So simple to do. Stuck it in there and put the little clear heart on the top, and it fits perfect. The only thing is it keeps falling out. So I just put some E6000 around the edge and just let that dry overnight. Hey everyone, all finished. So I think it turned out really cute. This is the back of it with the blue heart. And that looks nice like that. I don't know why they don't have it so that that fills in that area so you can have something on the back there. It's kind of weird, I thought. And I hadn't watched any videos on it before I made it, and I went back and I saw there's like 4 other people who have videos on it, and it's all the same. I thought maybe I made a mistake, didn't fill it up high enough or something, but no, that's how it turned out for everybody. So, and everybody had different ideas of how to do it. So I thought this was a pretty easy idea with the UV resin. And anyway, I think all in all, I think it turned out cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We have the Facebook page going, an amazing group of people. It's really a great place for beginners because everybody has all sorts of suggestions and they love to answer questions. Of course, I'll answer any questions you might have, but other people have other ways of doing the same thing. And really with the glass art, there's no right and wrong way. Whatever works best for you is the way to do it. So, and it's also an enjoyable place for people who've been doing glass art for a while because there's a lot of really neat glass art being displayed, different ideas, different techniques. So come join us there, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching. So anyway, I thought it turned out real cute. I'm going to put it at the entranceway when people come in for the baby shower to see, and she'll be surprised. I thought that was cute. Turned out real pretty. You could do one in pink too if it's going to be a little girl.